Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my channel. So I'm Tarun Kumar Suvari. So today we are going to celebrate this Rose Day in a very special manner. To all the single medicals who are there, so let's see about what are the medical roses which are present in our MBBS curriculum. So if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe our channel and like, share, and comment this video. So the first one is rose thorn ulcer of Crohn's disease. So let's see what is it. So if you see this figure, you can see the yellow color markers there. So that yellow color arrows indicate the deep and linear ulcers that have filled with barium in this stenosis terminal ileum, which are also known as rose thorn ulcers, which are classical typical signs of Crohn's disease. Second one, the rose spots of typhoid fever. So the typhoid fever rose spots will present in 10 to 20% of the people in the typhoid fever. So which are in rose colored spots. You can see the black color arrows there, which appear on usually on chest and abdomen during the second week of infection. So the third one is rose pink rash of erysipelas. So the erysipelas is an infection of upper layer of the skin, superficial layer of the skin, which results in a fiery red or rose pink rash, which you can see, you can appreciate both in the both images, where the edges are raised and can be easily distinguished from the skin around it. So at one time, erysipelas was thought that it will only affect face, but recent research studies suggested that the rash may appear on the arms and trunk also. So the next one is rose Bengal strain. So the rose Bengal strain is usually used to see the cornea and conjunctiva in Sjogren syndrome. So the rose Bengal strains, the areas of devitalized tissue, as seen in purple or pinkish color in the images, to detect end organ damage to conjunctival and corneal epithelial cells. So the rose Bengal test, RBT for brucellosis. So the rose Bengal test for brucella. So the rose Bengal test is a rapid test that was originally designed to screen animal population, but also used it as an emergency response test for rapid diagnosis of brucellosis in humans. So the rose Bengal test is a simple, rapid, slide type agglutination assay. So the rose gardener's disease. The rose gardener's disease is another name for sporotrichosis, which is usually caused by fungus called as sporothrix. So this fungus lives throughout the world in soil and plant matter such as sphagnous moss, rose bushes, and hay. You can see the clinical images where it appears as in the roses which appear in the garden on the line. So the rose position. So the rose position is another name for thyroid position or coach's position, which ensures that the neck is extended. Therefore, the increasing the space between the clavicles and jaws. So the rose position is usually seen in the patient placed during a tonsillectomy and adenoctomy and similar surgeries. So the next, Rose-Waller test. So the Rose-Waller test is an hemagglutination slide test. The test is used for the detection of rheumatoid factor in human serum. Rose sign. Rose sign is a clinical sign in which the skin of one leg feels warm and stiff when pinched. It can occur in people with deep vein thrombosis due to edema in the affected leg. Rosewater syndrome, a rare form of gynecomastia with hypogonadism. It has been suggested that this condition is the mildest expression of incomplete male pseudohermaphroditism type 1. The last one, the rose fever, a form of hay fever caused by the inhalation of rosen pollen, characterized by nasal discharge and lacrimation, also called as rose cold. So these are the things related to rose in medical terms. If I missed anything, please drop them in the comments so that I can pin it. So once again, thank you so much for listening. You can find me at Tarun Suvar STK in Instagram. So please don't forget to like and comment and share this video. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe.